Working with visual effects or 3D rendering and have EXR files, this is the industry standard for high dynamic range imaging in film and VFX. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view, edit, and convert these OpenEXR HDR images. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your EXR, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. EXR files are high dynamic range raster image files using the OpenEXR format developed by Industrial Light and Magic. They store wide-gamut floating point pixel data with exceptional color depth and dynamic range used extensively in film visual effects, compositing 3D rendering and professional photography HDR workflows. OpenEXR EXR files use a tiled or scanline storage format with 16-bit or 32-bit floating point channels, supporting arbitrary channel configurations, including RGBA depth velocity and custom AOV passes. The format features lossless PIS or lossy DWAA DWAB compression with multi-part and deep data capabilities. When viewing the file metadata, the EXR shows a direct link to Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows can show these files in its default viewers, but professional adjustments require imaging software. Open the context menu on the EXR file and choose Open With. Your priority is testing Adobe Photoshop. If it fails or is absent, select another program and test until you get access. If you still cannot open your EXR file, that is okay. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, viewing EXR images. OpenEXR Files in DJV Viewer, a free open-source application designed for VFX image sequence review. Adobe Photoshop also opens EXR files with full HDR support. For quick viewing, use IMSR Viewer or RV, which provide exposure controls and channel isolation for inspecting HDR image content and individual render passes. Next, editing and compositing software. Import EXR files into Nuke Fusion or Adobe After Effects for compositing and color grading. These applications work natively with floating point HDR data, preserving the full dynamic range during editing. Use exposure and color correction tools to adjust the image without the banding artifacts common in lower bit depth formats. Finally, converting and tone mapping. Use Adobe Photoshop or ImageMagick to convert EXR files to PNG, TIFF, or JPEG format, with tone mapping to compress the HDR range into displayable values. In Photoshop, open the EXR file and use Image Then Mode to convert from 32-bit to 16-bit or 8-bit, with tone mapping options for the best visual result. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.